I ain't wanna love you, but I had to. Now your name inked on my brain just like a tattoo. I get rich or chase the fame, yeah, I'll be that dude. Then I'll shit on our existence cause I'm too rude. I ain't wanna love you, but I had to. Now your name inked on my brain just like a tattoo. I'll get rich or chase the fame, yeah, I'll be that dude. Then I'll shit on our existence cause I'm too rude. Bitches fake, niggas fake, life is fake. Told her I ain't wanna live anyway. Still right through my wrist, perky in my car. I'm gon' make it fish, I'm being real with it. I'm still a real nigga. That bitch a dish stick. Yeah. Cả thiên lai ở cơ về dân tin xuống tôi nó cái này cây vá là lung đùm tu bụi tê cái ta như lưu cái thang hệ về trang ở bầy sắc mẹ môi nó cũng khốt dậy cái ta như thế là ôm yêu anh đón về để cả đò lung ru sắc ngó môi nó thực thể là khoan hơn mỗi tất cả xiên lên thằng thang ở bê đầu tư đến năng lệ cái in thư cân tiền xịt lệ sai in khao mà xe van ai giao cái đủ nó chê bụi tê gặp mang ấy chê trong khoan đủ lên in mal sống xe oh digga, that say go figure. I say go figure. Fucking from the back so good, she turn around, she like, hey go nigga, hey you go nigga. Smoke too much and drink too much, but I don't think I think too much. She do coke all on my kitchen counter and my sink too much. I know it's a problem, but I try to ignore it, cause she knows how I adore her. I'm a explorer like Dora. Pull her up like the internet, I ain't talking explorer. Never tolerate disrespect, baby, that's in that order. Get out of my house if you don't give respect. Matter of fact, baby, just go give me that. Bitch, you hear? I ain't wanna love you, but I had to. Your name inked inside my brain just like a tattoo. I get on and chase the fame, you'll think I'm that dude. Then I shade on our existence cause I'm too rude. Bittersweet, your cries, my cry, symphony. That's something that can't be competed with. None of these girls on your shit. None of these girls on your wavelength. You said you're an angel but you used to work with Satan. Yeah, I remember what you said when you took that Ouija board next to your head. Then you left them spirits out into your bed. Someone should've called the feds. Crazy bitch, I guess you didn't take your meds. Now you're taking all this damage to your head.